Before you begin the installation, please check POSIM.com for current system requirements to ensure that your computer is compatible. This tutorial is for installing POSIM Evo on a Mac computer. We also recommend logging into a user account with administrative privileges prior to installing Evo. To begin the installation, navigate to posim.com/download. Fill out the information on the download form and select POSIM Evo for Mac. Once you submit your details, you will receive an email containing a link to download the file. Click the link found within the email to download the installer and begin the process. Once the download is complete, double-click on the installer to begin. To start the installation, click Continue and then select Continue again. Select Agree to acknowledge and accept the software license agreement. Evo by default will install directly under the hard drive inside the Applications folder. To install with default directory, select Continue. If you would prefer to change the directory, select Change Install Location and specify the desired location. Then select Install to continue. Input the computer's password to continue, then select Install Software. A progress bar will appear as the software installs. When complete, you will see a message that reads, "The installation was successful." Select Close to exit the installer package. If this is the first time Evo has been installed on the computer, you will receive a prompt to select whether this computer is a demo, server, or client. If this computer is going to be the main computer that stores the database information, you will select Server. If you already have a server computer set up in your store and this computer will be used as a register or other client computer that will connect to the server, select Client. If you are installing Evo for demonstration purposes only, select Demo. If you choose Server, further installation is required. Evo runs on a database engine called Maria, and the server computer must have this database engine installed to function. Click through the remainder of the installer and when prompted, enter the computer's password to allow for the installation to finish. A progress bar will appear as the software installs. When the installation is complete, you will see a message that reads, "The installation was successful." Select Close to exit the installer package. Evo will launch automatically and ask which type of database should be installed. A sample database, a blank database, or other database. Select Blank Database if you would like to build your own. If you plan to install Evo for demonstration purposes, select Sample Database, and a pre-populated database with items, customers, vendors, and more will be installed. If you need to restore an existing database, select Other. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will install a blank database. After you have made your selection for the type of database, select Next to continue. A progress bar will appear while the database is being installed. When the database is finished being installed, you will need to set up a username and password. This username and password will be used to log into the software each time the application is opened. The username and password can be anything you would like. Select OK to save your username and password. The next prompt is to assign a name to the workstation. The workstation is used to identify the computer and its settings in Evo. Some examples of workstation names might be Server, Register 1, Register 2, or Warehouse. Type in the workstation name of your choice and then select OK. The screen that appears will alert you that the current database does not have any automated backup process set up, and to contact technical support if you need assistance. To ignore this warning, select Acknowledge. Or to be reminded the next time the software opens, press Warn Later. POSIM Evo will open the General Preferences window and the navigator will appear on the left side of the computer screen. Enter your company information into the General Preference window, and when finished, select Save and Close. You have now successfully installed POSIM Evo on your Mac. Thank you for tuning in to this POSIM Evo video tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to POSIM support by phone, email, or chat with us on our website.